Malo, malo. We all have our goals and dreams of things that we want to become. Here's an exercise you should do every day. Look in the mirror and say, Olea, Avea a'u, must say, fill in the blank. As you can see, this starts with the tense marker. So this is a verb phrase. Olea is your future tense marker. The verb Avea, which means to become, a'u, or I, is your post-verb pronoun after the verb Avea, and ma is stated before what you will become. So a CEO, the president, a doctor, or fomai, whatever. Whatever you became doesn't count, so don't say sa or na avea umase, because that's the past. We're looking towards the future, ile. So go to the mirror, ya va'aya ke oi mafayaku, olea avea umase. Only you know the answer to the rest.